Imagine you are holding a shield. It feels heavy, sturdy, and protective. You believe this shield will keep you safe from every arrow life throws at you. But what if I told you that the shield isn't protecting you? What if the weight of that shield is actually the very thing pinning you to the ground, preventing you from moving forward? Welcome to the paradox of comfort. We are wired to seek safety, but in the modern financial world, playing it safe is often the most dangerous gamble you can take. Meet Leo. Leo is a smart guy. He follows the traditional rules. He works a steady 9 to 5, pays his bills on time, and keeps his savings in a standard bank account. Leo loves comfort. His favorite phrase is, "Better safe than sorry." He sees his friends investing in startups or the stock market, and he shakes his head. "Too risky," Leo says. "I prefer to know exactly where my money is." And for a while, Leo feels great. He sleeps soundly while the market fluctuates. But there is an invisible thief in Leo's house, a silent predator that doesn't care about his comfort. Its name is inflation. While Leo's money sits safely in the bank earning 0.5% interest, the cost of living is rising by 3, 4, sometimes 7%. Every year, Leo is technically saving money, but mathematically, he is becoming poorer. His safety net is being eaten by moths. Now, let's look at Leo's friend, Maya. Maya is terrified of stagnation more than she is a failure. Maya takes calculated risks. She invests in a diversified portfolio. She starts a side hustle. She spends money on courses to upgrade her skills. Does Maya lose sometimes? Absolutely. There are days she sees red in her portfolio. There are days her side hustle fails. Leo sees this and thinks, "See, I told you so. Safety is better." He hugs his diminishing savings tighter. But here is the difference. Maya is learning. She is adapting. She is building resilience. Her losses are tuition fees for future success. 5 years pass. The gap begins to widen, not just in money, but in mindset. Leo is still in the same job, afraid to ask for a raise because he fears rejection. He is comfortable, but he is capped. Maya, having navigated the storms, has compounded her wealth, but more importantly, she has compounded her confidence. The cost of Leo's comfort wasn't just the money lost to inflation. It was the opportunity cost, the price of the life he didn't live. In finance and in life, risk and reward are twins. You cannot separate them. If you kill the risk, you kill the reward. Think about a muscle. If you never stress it, if you keep it safe on the couch, it doesn't stay the same. It atrophies, it withers. Your financial intelligence is a muscle. Your ability to handle uncertainty is a muscle. Leo's muscles have atrophied. Suddenly, a crisis hits. The company Leo works for, his safe harbor, downsizes. Leo is let go. His illusion of safety shatters instantly. He has no side income, no investments, no experience navigating the unknown. Meanwhile, Maya faces the same economic downturn. It hurts, but she has multiple streams. She has the skills to pivot. This is the harsh truth. The safe zone is a danger zone. It lulls you into sleep while the world changes around you. So how do you break free from the addiction to comfort without being reckless? It starts with micro risks. You don't need to bet the farm. You just need to step off the sidewalk. Allocate 5% of your income to a growth investment. Start a project that might fail. Negotiate for something you think you can't get. You need to desensitize yourself to the feeling of uncertainty. You need to make fear your compass, not your stop sign. Leo realizes this. He's shaken, unemployed, and scared. But for the first time, he sees the cage he built. He takes his remaining savings. He doesn't hoard it. He invests in a certification for a new industry. It feels uncomfortable. It feels unsafe. His stomach turns. But he does it anyway. He starts small. He fails at his first interview. But remember Maya? He treats it as tuition. Months later, Leo lands a role in a growing field. He starts investing. He starts living. He realizes that true security doesn't come from avoiding danger. It comes from knowing you can handle it. Comfort is a beautiful place to visit, but nothing grows there. Don't let the fear of losing keep you from playing the game. The biggest risk of all is waking up in 20 years and realizing you stayed safe and accomplished nothing. Break the shield, step into the arena. Your future self is begging you to take the risk.